Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new video. Today, my wife is gonna make a new recipe, which is chicken roast. She added 2 spoons of yogurt onto the bowl, then opened up the roast masala, and you could use either this packaging or Raduni's masala. It's up to you. She adds about 2 spoons of masala with the yogurt, which then you could start blend them in by mixing them together. But before she does that, she's gonna take red chili powder, add just a tiny bit into that bowl as well. So this could be a little spice in the mixture, which you could see her do. Then she's gonna add some water. As you can see, she's gonna now mix that up a little bit. And these are some of the things you need to do before you prefer and get your things ready. Then what you would do is clean up the chicken that you're gonna use. You want to make sure there's no dirt, there's no bacteria. Add some salt with the chicken and mix that up a little bit. Add decent amount of oil. It depends what you use. We do use corn oil, which is really good. Then add on the chicken while the oil is now cooking, and you can start to see a little bubble in the oil. You want to start putting all the chicken in there. If you heard my child cry a little bit, he did wake up, so don't mind him. Once you're done adding all those chicken, what you would do is now wait until the oil cooks up a little bit, then add all the ginger and onion mixture. You could blend the garlic and the ginger and stuff like the way she does, or you could put it in miniature pieces as well. It's really up to you, but you rather you do it like this, so all that spice, all that onion and garlic and ginger is all mixed in. But definitely look into your chicken for sure. You want to make sure it's not overly cooked. As you can see, that mixture looks just like this now. All that yogurt and chili powder and the roast masala, you want to add that into that as well. Um, you want to put almost all your mixture inside. Then you want to just mix all this up at the same bowl. As you can see, the colors start to change and everything is now all together. You want to make sure that you mix it up really well. Add some of the peanut mixture as well. It could be almond or just could be a regular peanut, which is really up to you. So you want to just add that as well. You want to keep mixing that up a little bit until you see a really good mixture. And when you cook the mixture a little bit, start to see bubble inside the mixture. You want to just move things around just so the flavor and everything is really good. Now she's going to add all that chicken she was just roasting or frying. Now she's going to add all those chicken inside with the mixture. So that mixture and that chicken cooks well at the same time, and all that flavor goes inside those chicken. Mix that up a little bit, mix that chicken and that all the spice together. As you can see, it is not the most difficult process, but it does take time, so be patient with all of your ingredient and what you add on. Then you after this, you just want to make sure that that is cooking, and you want to add some milk, later on, which maybe like 10, 15 to 20 minutes after you while you're cooking. You want to add that together as well. Once you're done, as you could see, your chicken roast is ready to be served. She's adding just a little bit of the gravy over the top, and this is how you make your chicken roast.